Hi, welcome to this long life learning module. The module in this video is LLL004, Introduction to Interior Design. In this video, we will learn about topic 3, the concept. The title is Concept in Interior Design. Hope you enjoy. Concept first and the design later. What is a design concept? A concept is a general idea or abstract understanding of something. It is a mental representation or a broad notion that helps us categorize, explain, or understand a particular subject, phenomenon, or process. A design concept is the central, guiding idea or big picture thought that informs and unifies all design decisions for a project. The concept it's the essence of the design. It's the main idea that addresses the client's needs and project brief. It's a concise statement or visual metaphor that sets the tone. What is a concept crucial? 1. Direction and focus. It provides a clear path, preventing arbitrary decisions. It's the roadmap. 2. Cohesion and unity. It ensures all elements, color, material, furniture, work together harmoniously. It achieves a unified look. 3. Differentiation. It makes the design unique, memorable, and reflective of the client/brand. It stand out from generic design. 4. Communication. It's a powerful tool to articulate the design intent to the client and team. It simplifies the presentation process. 5. Problem solving. It acts as a filter to evaluate design solutions against the core goal. It's a practical application. Where do concepts come from? Source 1. The client or the user. It's a needs, personality, brand identity, or the desired feeling of the space. It's the fundamental source. Source 2. The site or the context. It's a location, history, architecture, views, local culture, or environment. It's the physical constraints and opportunities. Source 3. The function or the program. It's the activity or purpose of the space, for examples. Efficiency in an office, tranquility in a spa. It's the practical requirements in order to achieve the concept. The action step to be taken is research, analysis, and synthesis of the brief are key to concept generation. Remember, highlight the process and not just the result. What makes the concept strong? These are the characteristics of a strong concept. Characteristic number 1. Relevant. Directly addresses the project brief, client needs, and site context. It makes sense. It must be grounded in reality. Characteristic number 2. Feasible. It can be realistically translated into design elements and built within budget and time. It's achievable. It's a practical consideration. Characteristic 3. Inspiring. It excites both the designer and the client, sparking creativity. It's motivating. It's the emotional factor. Characteristic 4. Translatable. It can clearly guide decisions on materials, layout, color, lighting, and form. It's functional. It's the most practical test. A great concept is simple, powerful, and actionable. A general concept must be developed into a specific design narrative to be useful. The need for development. It's a question for you to answer. How do we take a general idea, for examples, flowing water, and turn it into material, form, and space? Now we see the concept categories. This slide is a defining and formation of concept in interior design. As you see here, the concept can be categories into 2. That are well-defined concept and ill-defined concept. 1. A well-defined concept. It's a concept has clearly defined and a clear identified images. 2. Ill-defined concept. It is a concept that based on abstract idea or notions or word. Concept can be simple or complex. A simple concept has one or simple or direct element. Meanwhile, a complex concept has multiple elements. A simple concept can be divided into 4 types, which are literally direct, metaphor, combination of metaphor plus analogy, and analogy. A complex concept can be also divided into 4 types. which are metaphor, combination of metaphor and analogy, and abstract. Literally direct concept is a concept that address or adapt to a specific basic idea or notion. Metaphor is a thing regarded as representative or symbolic of something else. Metaphor and analogy concept is a combination of metaphor and analogy, symbolic and function. Analogy is an idea or notion that resemble relations and function. Abstract concept is a thought of apart from concrete realities, specific objects, or actual instance, an abstract idea. The tables show how the concept formation in architecture and interior design. The project is a source of the concept. It has to understand the nature of the project. To get the concept, for example the grid, source of inspiration can be anything but must relate to the proposed project in order to produce a good design concept. The table also shows a concept output and image. The output can be a three-dimensional form or character or appearance. Based on concept, it is a design, a style, a movement, or trend in this project. In this example, the concept is grid. It means a grid is main reference for planning and designing a space. Thank you so much. See you in the next topic.